Wow, wow. Hi, hello, and welcome to Vinay Logics. Previous video we have seen about the new Android Studio 3, Retrofit 2, and a Web API. Today we are going to see about a core part, which is a Kotlin. Kotlin is a new programming language developed by JetBrains. So here is a link. It runs on JVM and it can be converted into three types. One is it runs on virtual machine, so it can be handled into Android. Second one is it can be converted into JS, that is it can generate a JavaScript browser. Third one is Native, which will be like running by LLVM. So large binaries, since iOS devices doesn't support any virtual machine, they have introduced a native concept which is called native Kotlin for a native, which works on iOS and different platform which doesn't support a virtual machine. So in order to go to the language, you can go to the site learn. So here is a reference, like basic syntax, everything, tutorials. So to go read more about it, you can use a Kotlin. And by the by, officially now Google has officially announced the Kotlin is a first class programming language for Android. So the advantage of the Kotlin is like Google need not overwrite any or reconstruct any libraries. Kotlin supports a Java, so it's very easy to follow Kotlin, and there are much more development is going on Kotlin. So Android Studio 3 now recently they have introduced Canary 3 build which supports a Kotlin. So there are three supportive language. One is natively Java. Now first lang support goes to Kotlin and C++. You can write Android in three different languages: Kotlin, Java, and C++. The benefits of Kotlin is like in order to avoid a boilerplates of code written in Java. So it avoids lots of boilerplate code. So go here, classes and objects. So first part, the advantages, constructor is passed on top. Init is called like when constructor is initialized. Init is a default method. So properties, data class. This is a one not the advantage, which is a POJO. It can be written and a default initializer so that you can specify what are the parameter need to be passed. So in order to avoid like duplicate overload constructor, if you defaultly assign, it will take the default value, or you can assign a value. So it is one of the benefit. We have a data classes. Extension is another benefit where we'll be like extending a functionality of an class. So these are the certain concepts. Go through it and try it out and try for a fun. If you want to like try it out, try online. If you don't want to follow IDE, fine. So please support our channel, subscribe to the channel to see any latest video from a Vinay Logics, and we are going to explore a language and a code for to develop an Android app in a Kotlin, because there are several videos which is coming up for basics of learning Kotlin. So I'm not going to get into deep into Kotlin. Please follow some videos in YouTube or explore in a Google. And here we are going to purely deal with the Android. Okay, bye. See you until our next video. Thanks.